What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am down at my main shop and I have our Bobcat skid steer here. I also have a bucket for it and two of the buckets for our excavator. The excavator is currently on the Freightliner down in the parking lot. I'm gonna have to unchain it and move it forward up onto the front of the Freightliner, and then I have to load this skid steer behind it. Well, unfortunately, I have a dead battery. No power at all. We don't have a battery disconnect switch on this. We do have a trickle charger up on here, but obviously it wasn't plugged in. And while I was looking at this, I can't get this battery cover off without pulling this panel off. So I'm gonna have to get the bit for these, pull that off, then I can pull the cover off of the batteries and get this thing charging. All right, so it's been charging for about 10 minutes. Let's see if it'll start. I don't have it on crank assist, so if it doesn't start, we could turn it up, but it seems to have quite a bit of power. Beautiful. super close, but not quite. I think I need to spin the machine more and then swing the arm a bit more to the left to give me some more room. Obviously, that chain is in the way as well. If I didn't have this bucket on here, actually, I think I'm going to take the bucket off and I can move this bucket up in the bed of my truck as well. And then we should be able to drive right up on. That should be perfect. Let's get it chained down. All right, we're all chained down. Got this binder on nice and tight. Check this one, nice and tight. That one's tight. This one across the blade is tight. On the back over here, I ended up having to do the same thing I did on that side. It wouldn't fit right here. It's just a bit too tight, but that one's nice and tight. This one's tight. That one's tight. And this one's tight. Not the biggest fan of parking this by myself when I don't have anybody to kind of watch. It is very tight between our trucks here. We got the Oshkosh on one side and we got an International over here. Obviously, I don't want to hit either of them. Being that this truck is so long, it's tough to tell, especially when you're not used to it. I don't drive this truck very much, and I'm never driving it on the road because I don't have a CDL, so really only drive it in the parking lot, so I don't have too much experience parking this thing. But we got it. Sneak her right on in here. Window up. That'll do it. Hopefully the battery is not dead when my uncle comes to use this. You know, but that is all she wrote. Got both machines on here ready to head on up to our Dutchess yard. that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.